Hello 11th standard business math students, welcome back to second chapter algebra partial fractions. We are going to see today example 2.6 resolving into fractions, partial fractions. They are given 9 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 the whole square. So first we are going to split the denominator, but already they are given in factors. Okay, these are in factors, but here your second factor is power 2. So what type is this? This is repeated linear factor, isn't it? So this comes under type 2. So this is of type 2. Okay, so now for type 2 we have to resolve this factor x plus 2 the whole square as one time and two time. Okay, and already we have got one factor, so totally you will get three factors. Okay, so when you write this for this partial fraction, you will get it as a by the first factor as it is plus b by x plus 2 power 1 and plus c by x plus 2 power 2. So this is going to be your Roman letter 1. Okay, this is the final answer you are going to substitute. Okay, so this is going to be our splitted form. We have identified it and we have written the partial fraction form. Now we are going to cross multiply the denominator. Instead of that, we are going to do it as LCM. Okay, so 9 by x minus 1 plus x plus 2 the whole square equal to, here you take your LCM as x. When it is repeated, you write only of the highest power, so x plus 2 the whole square alone you are going to write. Okay, now taking first for a by x minus 1 into our LCM denominator x minus 1 into x plus 2 the whole square, this and this get cancelled, so you will get the answer for a as a into x plus 2 the whole square. Next for b by x plus 2 into our LCM x minus 1 into x plus 2 power 2, so one power gets cancelled, one remains, so b into x minus 1 into x plus 2 one time. Then plus c, similarly c by x plus 2 the whole square into x minus 1 into x plus 2 the whole square gets cancelled, so you will get x minus 1 alone. Okay, this is the way you have to find out when you get the repeated factor type. Okay, now both our denominators gets cancelled, so what do we get? 9 equal to a into x plus 2 the whole square plus b into x minus 1 into x plus 2 and plus c into x minus 1. So this is going to be our 2, and here also we have got two factors. When you get two factors, you put 0 as the third factor. So what are our factors? So x equal to minus 2, x equal to 1 and x equal to 0. So these three factors you are going to substitute in 2. Okay, therefore substituting x equal to minus 2 in 2. What is true? Right and left hand side nothing changed, only constant, so 9 as it is. A into minus 2 plus 2 the whole square plus b into x minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 plus c into minus 2 minus 1. Okay, this minus I'll put it clearly, minus 2. Okay, now this becomes 0, similarly this becomes 0, so a and b gets cancelled, so you get the answer as minus 2 minus 1 minus 3c, so which implies c is equal to minus 1 by 3. Sorry, it's not 1 by 3, it is 3. So our c answer is going to be minus 3, because it is 9 by minus 3, isn't it? 9 by minus 3, that is equal to minus 3. So c equal to minus 3 is our first answer. Okay, now coming to the second factor. Substitute x equal to 1 in 2. So 9 equal to a into 1 plus 2 the whole square plus b into 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 2 plus c into 1 minus 1. So this and this get cancelled, similarly this and this get cancelled, so b and c gets cancelled. So 9 equal to 1 plus 2, 3 square, that is equal to 3 square is 9, so 9a, so 9 and 9 gets cancelled, which implies a is going to be 1. 1 is the answer for a. Okay, you can take out this also becomes 0, so you cancel it like this. So a equal to 1 is going to be your answer. Okay, we have got a and c. Now for the third one, substitute x equal to 0 in 2. So 9 equal to a into 0 plus 2 the whole square plus b into 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 2 plus c into 0 minus 1. Okay. Now what will you get? The answer is 9 equal to 2 square is 4a minus 2b and minus c. So what, for a and c we know the answer, isn't it? So keeping b aside, you take the other things to the 2b minus 2b equal to 9 minus 4a plus c. So 9, a is 1, so minus 4, and c is minus 3, so minus 3. So minus 4 minus 3 gives you minus 7, 9 minus 7 gives you the value as 2. Okay, so minus 2b equal to 2. Therefore 2 and 2 gets cancelled, which implies b equal to minus 1. So you have got a, b, c. You are going to substitute a, b, c in Roman letter 1. What is our Roman letter 1? 9 by x plus 1 or x minus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2. Okay, 9 by x plus 2 the whole square, yes, equal to, what is our a? 1. So 1 by x minus 1 plus, what is our b is minus, so you put a minus, it is only 1, so you can write it as minus 1 by x plus 2. Then c is minus 3, so minus 3 by x plus 2 the whole square. Okay, so this is going to be our answer. Okay, a is 1, b is minus 1, and c is minus 3. So this is our final answer. We have resolved into partial fractions. Thank you.